Hello everyone, welcome to winsights.com. In this video, we will check out how to enable TIFF iFilter on Windows 11. To enable this feature, we will use the run command and access programs and features. Go to the run command and in the run, kindly execute the following command appwiz.cpl. You can find this command in this video description and on winsights.com. Click OK. Programs and Features window will open now. On the left pane, you can find Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on that. Here, you can find a lot of optional features. Scroll down and locate Windows TIFF iFilter. Click on the checkbox next to it to enable it and finally click OK. Windows will now search for required files and apply all the necessary changes. A restart now is highly recommended. However, I am recording this video, so I am clicking on Don't Restart. That's it. Windows TIFF iFilter is now enabled on your Windows 11.